welcome back to my channel. It's ChristyRocksXO. In today's video, we are going to be decorating my kitchen table for Easter. It's going to be a little different from last year, so I really hope that you're excited and that you're going to love it as much as I am going to love it. However, if you want to see how I decorated my tablescape last year, I will go ahead and link it here up above. So when you see that iCard pop up, just go ahead and click on it after this video and then, you know, make a little comparison. So let's go ahead and let's get started because I am excited. I'm ready to Easter it up in my house. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be using these chargers or if I'm going to change it up. I don't know. We'll have to plug and play because I'm not sure yet. I think I might change them out, but I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what I'm going to do. Alright, so I like to personally start off by removing everything, getting everything nice and clean. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and start doing is I'm going to remove all of my plates. So the next thing I'm going to go ahead and add, I'm going to add this runner here. I got this at home. Here's what it looks like. This was for $29.99. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the ribbon. It does shed, so I know it's going to get all over the place. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to open it up. I'm going to set this here in the middle of my runner. So I decided to go ahead and leave my original runner that I have all year round. I decided to go ahead and leave it there. This is so pretty. I really like this. I kind of wish I would have gotten 2 of these, but for that price, no thank you. So I'm gonna make do with what I have, and I love the way it looks so far. Alright, so the next thing I went ahead and did is I added this stand here. This stand came from the 99-cent only store around Christmas time. It was green and also red. What I did is I spray painted them, and look at how cute they are. I love these little scalloped edges. I mean, it's not perfect by any means, but it doesn't need to be because, you know, farmhouse style. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put that there. For this stand, I'm going to be adding this beautiful bunny right here. This is Thea Bunny, and this is my little nephew, and this is me, and I love him, my little Papa Bearsies. So this is gonna go front and center. I love this bunny. I hauled this bunny. I'll go ahead and link the haul here up above if you're interested, but I love him. He is so cute. So he's gonna go there. Over here in this section, I'll be adding this beautiful darling bunny here. Look at him, isn't he so cute? He's gnawing on this carrot. He just got into someone's garden like Peter Rabbit, being mischievous. They have no business in that garden, but they're there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put him right over here, and I did pick him up at Big Lots a few years ago. So you can find something like this at Marshall's. I did see some similar bunnies like this at Marshall's. Alright, and I'm also going to be adding another bunny over here on the other corner. Right now I just have this candle here, that way it can weigh down this table runner so it could get flat because it is a little buckly. It's buckling on the bottom because it's been rolled up. So I'm just gonna leave this here for right now. We're gonna move that. That's just there to flatten it out. I'm gonna add this garland here. This garland came from maybe Michael's or Joann's. I did pick this up maybe last year, the year before, I can't remember, but you can definitely find this at Michael's and at Joann's. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take this garland, wrap him kind of back here. here. And I'm bending it and all that good stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take it through over here, just like that. And then I'm gonna take him around like that. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna fluff out each branch. I'm gonna open them up, move them, you know, one over that way, one over this way. Then I'm also gonna be fluffing out my little eggs nests. That way they're not like turned like over here. Let me show. So as you can see, you see how this one's like turned down like that? We want him to turn up, you know? So I'm gonna go through and I'm just gonna, you know, move these branches, open them up, make them look airy and whimsy. Since they've been in a box for a while, they're all just very flat, no life to them. So I'm gonna turn them around. See, that it looks so much better when you just turn it around like that. And then over here, I'm just gonna open up the leaves like I said. Back here as well, I'm gonna open up the leaves. Any little pick that's on here, I'm gonna open it up, separate them. That way it looks super cute. All right, now I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna start adding these little bunnies here. These are absolutely cute. Look at them. Look at the little faces. They look mischievous. They look like they're looking at you kind of side-eye. I picked these up at Hobby Lobby at least, I don't know, 4 years ago maybe. I can't remember, but I've had them for a while now. Whoa, he's trying to hop away. Where are you going? He's trying to get to that big carrot. So I'm gonna go through and I'm just gonna add random little bunnies. We'll go ahead and add this one. And then I'll also be adding one, let me see, right over here. Now I'm gonna add these eggs to my tablescape just throughout wherever I see fit. I picked these up at home for $5.99. So I'm just gonna open them up. Alright, and so they do come with this little string here. I'm gonna just pull it out like that because I don't want the string, but I wonder if it would look better if I cut them. No, I'm just gonna pull them out. Yeah, just pull them out. Go through and I'm literally just gonna add these eggs wherever. I'm gonna add just a bunch of little eggs everywhere. I really love the way this is looking. I love how it looks like they're in a meadow somewhere and they're getting into trouble, guys. And I love it because they're so cute. The back over here, I guess now I can move that candle and I could probably bring this over just a little bit more. Put that there. Bring this side more over here. Put that. Oh my gosh, that is looking so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add these carrots probably right there. I think that looks cute. Open them up a little bit. Oh, that looks so cute. I love that. I hope I wasn't in the way. So, okay, I like that. All right, and that's what it's looking like so far. So now let's go ahead and let's set my table. I'm gonna go in and put my chargers and my plates, so let's do it. Now I'll be taking this placemat here and I'm going to be adding one to each chair. So I did pick these up at Hobby Lobby. I have a haul of all of this stuff, so if you're interested and I didn't mention something, make sure you look out for that haul. And on top of this boxwood placemat, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna be adding this charger here. I just love these wicker chargers. They're so pretty. So I'll be adding that. And on top of these chargers, I'm gonna add my mirrored plates on top of that. I think that looks so pretty. Alright, now I'm going to be adding my Easter eggs. This is my signature little decor piece that I like to do on my table. So I'm going to be adding these to each plate. And I've had people ask me, like, how do you eat with those on there? Well, it's actually very simple. So I set them there like that, right? And then when it's time to eat, I move them over to the side, just like that. And it becomes, you know, part of the decor, just like that. So that's how we do it around her. So have no fear. The nests are not in our way at all. We just move them over to the side. So I'll just be adding a little nest. I picked these up at Hobby Lobby. going to end it for today's video. I am absolutely obsessed with the way my dining room table came out. It is absolutely darling. I wouldn't change a thing. I did keep some of my signature pieces, like my bird's nests and my little bunnies and the little eggs, and I love how I incorporated the outside in. It definitely looks like a spring day where the sun's just beaming all over the grass and the meadow and the flowers and the bunnies. and it's giving me all the spring vibes, and I am just obsessed with it. So if you enjoyed this video, if you're inspired, or you know, you mess with me heavy, then give your girl a big thumbs up on the way out, because it does mean the world to me and it does help out my channel. Also, please share this video with your friends. I really like to grow my YouTube channel, and I would love for you to help me do that. So don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at ChristyRocksXO. So before I leave, I just want to say Happy Easter. I hope that you enjoy it with your family and friends, or whoever you celebrate it with. And until next time, XO till I overdose. Bye.